The point-slope form of an equation is y minus y1 equals the slope times x minus x1. And when we are given the point and the slope, you can use the point-slope form to solve the equation, okay? So I'm going to do that on way 1, and then we're going to do another way on way 2, and you're going to tell me which one you like the most. So we've got the point-slope form, x minus x1. And I want for you guys, when you get your paper, to make a box that says m equals, b equals, y equals. And once you get m and b, you can write your equation, and then I can know where to go to for the answers. So I want all of your answers to look like that. So of the information I gave you, this is the original problem. That's what the problem looks like. It's a line that passes through 3, 2, and has a slope of 4. Can you fill out anything in the box? Yes, I'm given the slope, so I know m. I know m equals 4. So to find the b, this guy here is x1, and this is y1. That's the point they gave you. So you put y minus 2 equals 4, the slope, and x minus 3. So now I just clean it up a little bit. Y minus 2 equals 4x minus 12, because I just distributed that 4. And now I'm going to add 2 to both sides, 4x minus 12 plus 2. So that's y equals 4x minus 10. So here I have the same box, m equals, b equals, y equals. It's the same problem, so the slope is 4. We know slope, they're giving it to us, right? So now I have y equals mx plus b. And I know that the slope is 4, so I have y equals 4x plus b. It gave me this point, and this point represents an x and a y. So in order to find b, and you're just using the point, like you use a friend that has a car. You just, can you take me here? Can you do this? You just use them. So we're going to say 2, y equals 2 equals 4. The x is 3 plus b. Can everybody leave the b alone?
Why is it 2 instead of y?
I plugged in the numbers for x and y.
Right.
So your b is negative 10, and now I'm ready to write my equation. Remember, the equation has y's and x's in it. So we just used that point, and so it's going to be 4x minus 10. So the answer is the same. Next type, they give you 2 points. Any 2 points on the line, and we just said that there's an infinite amount of points on any line. They just pick 2 of them, any random 2 points that are on the line. And they say to you, can you give me the equation of a line that passes through 2, negative 5, and 6, negative 3? That's what they're asking for. Okay? I draw my box. Box doesn't change. M equals, B equals, Y equals. And first of all, if I give 2 points, can you guys remember how to find the slope? Yes, to find slope, it's y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. So that would be negative 5 minus negative 3 over 2 minus 6, which is negative 2 over negative 4, which is 1/2.
Oh.
I know that the equation looks something like this, but I have to find that b. So what can I do with those points? Yep, so negative 5 equals 1/2 times 2 plus b. Negative 5 equals 1 plus b. Subtract 1 from both sides. Negative 6 equals b. Either way, you get negative 6. So you pick the point that you like the most. I don't care which point you pick. And you get that b is negative 6. Once you have m and b, you write your equation. Y equals 1/2 x minus 6. And you're done.